Hiccups.
Perfect! Exactly according to the instructions!
Wow, Farah! I can't believe you built this all by yourself!
Thanks! It took some time, but to make it perfect, I needed to do it by myself.
Isn't it great, Bungie?
Oh, yeah! Sweet and creamy and so bubbly!
Wow, popping pistons, Farah. It is amazing.
Thanks, Peter. If you think it's something now, just wait till I paint it.
Well, that will have to wait, because we need to get in gear and prep for the big race this afternoon. Let's go!
Let's go!
Wait! I can't slurp and drive.
Excuse me, Spunky.
All right.
Hey, Bungie!
Sorry!
Maybe we should try and help Bungie get rid of his hiccups. They seem to be out of control.
He'll be fine. Hiccups go away by themselves. Sometimes it just takes a while. We've got a race to prep for.
Oh, we're here.
Whoa! Bungie! Off the track! Out of the way! Oh no! Roll out and follow that tire! Right now! Oh! It looks like it's heading for the park! We have to stop it!
Well, at least nobody got hurt, except for my masterpiece.
Don't worry, we'll help you rebuild it, Farah.
You bet! And sorry. Sorry.
Oh, it's just that I put so much time into it.
Hey, you guys. I guess we should get back to the track, huh? The race will be starting.
The race can wait. We need to help Bungie get rid of his hiccups right now. Give up the race? But you're always saying how the race comes first. No, friends come first. Oh, I didn't think that Bungie's hiccups were a big deal, but I was wrong. The hiccups are really giving Bungie a hard time, and they're causing problems for the others around too. So we really need to help Bungie.
You're right, Speeder.
Yes, we need to help him.
Yes, please. These hiccups are just a real pain.
What do we do first?
I know someone who would know. Follow me! Where is he?
Sorry I made you wait. I was making those donuts again.
I'm sorry about before.
Wasn't your fault, Bungie. It was the hiccups. Speaking of which, let me see now. A remedy for hiccups. You could try taking a sip of water.
Here you go, Bungie. Take a gulp of my hydration bottle.
Well, a sip of water didn't work. Oh, I'm worried about Bungie.
You're right. What I need is a whole lot of water.
What?
I'm not sure this is a good idea.
It's a great idea. Give it to me, please, please.
Okay, here.
Oh, I think that's enough! Enough!
Enough.
Hey, he's not hiccuping.
I'm not sure it worked.
Bungie might get into a big accident like that. We need to get him!
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Drinking water didn't work either. Looks like it got worse. We need another idea.
Aha! I've got an idea. Someone said if we scare him, it can stop the hiccups.
Scare him?
Let's try.
Let's roll! Vroom, vroom!
Are those costumes supposed to be scary? It's so klutzy. Oh my goodness.
Oh, looks like another failure.
It's not.
What?
That's so funny!
Oh, see, he's just laughing.
Yes, but he's not hiccuping.
I think the hiccups are gone because I laughed so hard.
So your plan did work, Speeder.
Okay, Speeder, just not in the way you thought it would.
Thanks, guys. I never would have gotten rid of those hiccups without you making me laugh like that.
And we can still get to the racetrack in time for the race.
Then what are we waiting for? Vroom! Let's go!
Let's go!
Today was a fun, if not bouncy day here in town. I hope you learned a good lesson today. You must never give up on your friends. Okay, bye!